Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find critical path here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding the critical path in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that helps you identify the sequence of tasks that determines the minimum project duration. For example, if you're already working here, okay, you might want to make sure that if you are in the grid view, click to the Gantt view as well. Because you see, for you to be able to see the critical path, you have to click on this colored line, all right? And that's going to be the critical path. Now, this critical path, as you can see it from here, highlights the sequence of tasks that directly impact the project's duration. This helps prioritize and focus on tasks that are crucial for timely project completion. Number two option, if you wanted to create something from scratch, go to the home button. Let's save it for now. We're going to start something from scratch, and we can select the Gantt file. Now it's going to be creating your Gantt view here instead. Now, for example, we're going to rename this as this one. Click that. You see, since we're already here on the Gantt view, right? Make sure, for example, if you don't have the dependencies here, we're going to delete the start from finish, right? So you can see. We're going to click that because if you don't have the start and dependency, start date and end date, you're not going to be able to see the critical path. That is one of the pre-requirements. For you to be able to see again the critical path, all you have to do is click on Edit Project Settings. You need to select the dependencies enabled. It'll create a new column like the predecessors, all right? Just click on yes, and what will happen is if you do that, you would be able to access the critical path. All right, so that's two ways for you to be able to do that. By using the critical path, you see, you can recognize the potential delays by monitoring the critical path, addressing issues promptly, helping in mitigating risk and preventing project delays. This is particularly important if you're working with multiple freelancers, clients, and team members within the organization, because you can concentrate on tasks that affects the project's end date. And of course, you can address constraints and avoid bottlenecks that could impact the overall timeline. Make sure you are on the grid Gantt view, because on the grid view, you're not going to be able to see the critical path. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.